What's up, guys? I'm Andy from 1A Auto. What's up, guys? Sometimes the rock star messes up.
Laugh it off, astronaut. You recording this? Yeah. Awesome. That's really great. Hi, Mom. You can always check us out at 1aauto.com.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Oh, look at this guy.
2007 Toyota FJ front. What's it called again? Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90. 90?
What's that noise?
So the customer, or I don't know what the
You what? All right, see ya.
On the pads, one of them will have a pad. We're going to be replacing a four-wheel drive actuator. I don't know what year this thing is. On a 2016 Ram 1500.
No, I want to not use my middle finger.
Anybody else humming Davy Crockett? No, just me. All right, don't mind the cracked mirror. It's because I looked at it earlier and, well, you've seen me. Hoo-wee! That sounds about right there. Hand me power. Woo!
Loosen up this nut on the lower sway bar link. And it's tightening.
Looks like the same as the other side, so we'll set it aside with the other side.
Oh no, Jeff.
Now the rotor's rusted.
That's what it can do, superpowers.
Yep, that looks good.
I'm gonna start by disconnecting the battery, and I got the wrong socket.
Whatever you need to do to get the right angle.
So the tape's in there, and it didn't even do anything. Ow, that hurt my digits.
All right. Now I'm gonna wiggle it, try to get that to separate. Comes right apart the wrong way.
This one's gonna snap.
Yep.
Back of the vehicle. Whoops, don't worry about that.
Oh, what's that? Oh, extra parts.
But if you did,
Intake, very.
Around where the rotor's gonna hit up against the rub. Spray the hub with a little bit of never sees.
hey everyone.
We're getting our lug nuts real close. Got our hub clap. So here we go.
Trick on if you need to. Dude, I'm losing it.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto.
I'm gonna grab a rag. We glabbed our blag. Let's get some seats back in this bad boy. Bad boy.
And today we have a 2011 Ford Hyundai Sonata in the shop. And today we have a 2011 Ford Hyundai Sonata. I just said it again. Ford Hyundai Sonata. What the is that?
Now down here next, show you how to replace a
I'm gonna be removing, and I'm gonna one of your tires is sitting a little bit.
Today I want to talk to you about trim clips. This is a, oh my God. This is a Mazda? This is.
click the link, the link in the description and head.
Okay, so we did what need. This is gonna take forever.
Tells you what the clip goes to.
I'm gonna show you the different jack.
We're just gonna be filling a chip on our. We're gonna be filling a chip on a windshield on our. Come on, Len.
Nice case, individual storage cases we sell. No, what the is that?
I'm gonna show you a quick little tick. How to replace the leak vapor.
You like soup?